Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hatch 2.0, as I say. It's Hatch 2. And a lot of people are asking questions in the group about how to sign up for it. You're having a hard time doing it. How do I get the upgrade? You have to be using Hatch Digitizer level because the upgrade is only for the Digitizer level. So if you're using some of the other levels, then you need to go up to Hatch 2.0 for digitizing. So what you need to do when you want to upgrade, and I'm going to tell you guys a lot of reasons why you do need to upgrade in this video, and we're going to play with the software too just a little bit, just doing what we want. But you need to go to wilcom.com/hatch. And I will put it in the description so you guys can link to it easily. And this is the page that you get once you do that. And all you have to do is click on sign in. And you sign in to your account. And I'll just click on it. You sign in. Now, this is the same username and password that you use to sign in to Hatch normally when you start the program. So just sign in and then it'll come up and it's a paid upgrade and it's a fantastic upgrade. So I'm going to encourage everyone to get the upgrade. It costs $199 US. So yeah, you just pay for it and then you will get a download button here and you click on it and you're going to download it and then you double click on it and it'll install into your computer. So which is cool. It's easy to do and you just install it exactly the same way that you installed Hatch in the first place. So that in a nutshell is how you upgrade to the new Hatch 2. So everyone head on over to Hatch, get yourself updated, and then there's lots of stuff to play with. I did 3 videos today on the photo stitch and it's fantastic. I haven't stitched anything out yet, but I will be. I've just been too busy making the videos. So on the page there's a lot of things. Why update? Let's go over that right now. I just thought it would be fun. So here it is, update today. And if you click on that, that would be even easier. If you click on that, then you just have to sign in and then you can do it. So update price valid for existing Digitizer 1 customers. So you can click here and you can check your upgrade options. So everything is available here on Hatch's website. So that makes it even easier to upgrade. So we've got a few people watching. Cool, awesome. So let's go over the Hatch's 15 reasons why you should upgrade. And I'm going to agree. Create memorable gifts with color photo stitch. Absolutely fantastic. I've been playing around with it last night and early this morning. Way too much photo stitch going on, and I came up with a couple of ways. One is in the manual, but a couple of ways to work with it and do different things, and it's fantastic. So get artistic with red work. I am working on a video for that. It should be hopefully tomorrow or the next day. Now, red work is kind of tricky to do in general terms. You have to go over everything twice, so you really have to get good at plotting out your designs. Now with Hatch, with this red work button, you design everything, select everything and click on red work, and it starts and ends in the same spot, which is the goal that I don't always accomplish. But Hatch makes it nice and easy, and it's going to plot it out for you. And I think this is absolutely amazing. I am so happy with it. I played around with it yesterday, and we're going to have fun with it later. So number 3, I showed this yesterday. This is a fantastic example of it. You can now weld objects. That was a huge request in all of the groups, is that Hatch didn't have welding. Well, you know what? Hatch has it now, and it's easy as, doing 2 objects. Now, the two objects obviously have to be touching. If you have a circle here and a square here and you select them both, it's not going to work. So you have to have two, and they have to be overlapping a certain amount, I would think. And you click on weld, and it's going to change it into one object. Now, it's going to change the colors, like you can't have this part red and this part yellow. When you put it together, it's going to be one color, and it is now one object. So that to me is a huge time saver. It's a huge time saver. So that's number 3. And you know what? 3 reasons, that's enough for me. I'm super happy with that. I've had so much fun. I don't have a scan and cut, but I do have a couple of them. I think I have Silhouette 3, and I have the Cricut, the Maker one, which is fantastic for fabric. So this is a new Brother one. Maybe I'll get my hands on it. Hint, hint, Dawn, hint, hint. But it'll work with all of it. So create SVG files. Want to create amazing applique designs using precision cutting files is essential. I'm going to agree with that. Now you can export your applique or closed objects as SVG files in seconds. And I think that is awesome. I think I have yet to test it out, but I've heard people trying it and it works amazing. So I'm super happy about that. I can't wait to try it. I don't have the Brother one, but I have a couple more. And I tried it yesterday and it was super easy. I didn't actually cut it out. That's what I'm saying. So that'll be really cool. That is huge. That is absolutely huge. Awesome. I'm so excited about that one. So I will be doing videos on that. This is going to make applique so much easier. You can pre-cut everything. I see Dawn's online answering for me because I didn't look over there again. And I'm missing Denise Zobel saying hi. Hi, Denise. Sorry about that. Dawn's gonna listen in, I guess, and do that. We also decided, too, as an aside, that we're gonna get Dawn a microphone, so when we go live and we do the live stitch-alongs, he can mumble, and you guys can give him a hard time a little bit easier. So we will be doing that. So there we go. So new applique digitizing tools. Yes, wow. A special new set of tools designed specifically for applique designs gives you more control. Select from one color of multiple color stops and optimize the stitch order. I love this. I think that is going to be huge. Of course, I am going to do more videos because I personally absolutely love applique, and the tools that they have added are absolutely fantastic. Dawn is commenting, hey, I don't mumble. Yes, you do, dear. Yes, you do. Okay, this is another one that I thought was fantastic. So we're up to 6. I'm thrilled with it. Elastic embossed fills and outlines. So you can be more creative. Now, we love these. We love doing these fills, which is awesome. These fills and outlines will turn with the shape of the objects. So can you imagine what you can do with that? Holy cow, that's amazing. I am thinking that gives everything a whole new dimension, and these 2 examples are fantastic. So alternating motifs, I was so excited about this yesterday that this is something else. So what it means is that you can put more than one motif in a design. And these are all amazing examples, because doesn't that look fantastic? I think that looks amazing. So does that. This one just simply makes me happy. So I think you can be absolutely super creative by doing this. So that's amazing. So this one, I was wondering about this one. So there are now over 100 professionally digitized fonts included in the Hatch Embroidery Digitizer update. That makes me happy. If you guys follow any of my videos, you will know that I'm a very fonty person, and fonty isn't exactly a word. I just kind of made it up, but it applies to me. So having more fonts, super happy with that. Super happy with that. So that's 8 reasons, still happy with it. So in enhance offsets, this is the other one. Now this is going to be fantastic for making key fobs, because while this one looks really cool, the top one, the turquoise one, this one is absolutely fantastic for making a key fob. So I think this is really neat. You can also choose to create offsets and holes. Now, for decorative stitching like this, obviously for a key fob, it's not going to apply. But doesn't that look fantastic that you can, you know, keep that still going in the holes? I think it's amazing. So number 9, rock on Hatch, loving it. New monogram templates. Now I showed these yesterday. There's 25 new ones. Ooh, I didn't realize that was so many, making 85 in total. That is a lot of that's a lot of monograms. The new ones are called urban ones, and I absolutely love them. I gushed like a little schoolgirl over all of them yesterday. It's fantastic. So play with those. I will be doing a video on the new ones. Faster sequencing. Now, this is one thing that I absolutely really loved yesterday. It's one of the first things that I noticed was the sequence is bigger. It's quite a bit bigger. It's numbered and it's colored. And I thought they're right, making it clearer and much faster. And I think it'll save you a lot of time. I really enjoyed it because I found it a lot easier to see, because if you pull this out a little bit more, you can see them even bigger, and you can actually see the stitches, and it'll save you from, you know, zooming in and looking. If you can really see it in here and all you have to do is move it out and move it in. I thought it was absolutely brilliant. So that was one of the things that made me really happy. So 11, okay, Hatch, you guys are rocking this. This may be my favorite. I'm not really sure. You guys will have to let me know what your favorite is. It's between this and Photo Stitch, I think. Yeah, I would have to really think about it. So, enhanced knife tool. Okay, I didn't know about this one. Now you can cut run stitches. Oh man, that's fantastic. Everyone's been asking that question. And it really, if you had something like this, you could cut the satin stitches, but not the run stitches. So, wow, that is going to make a huge difference. 12, I didn't know about. So, bonus. Thank you, Hatch. That is going to be really nice. So, let's say hi to everyone. So hi from Sue. Let us know where you guys are from. Thanks for watching. This was just, Dawn said you should go live, and I said, okay, I really want to look into Hatch a little bit more. I did 3 videos today on the photo stitch. So yeah, I came up with, there's a couple of ways of kicking it up and making it a little more creative, and I played with it all day. So it's kind of bad, but kind of good. So number 13, lucky 13. Okay, one-click multi-hooping. I just did a couple of fantastic videos on Hatch multi-hooping. One video to show you guys how to do it in Hatch, and the other video, which was really asked for, was how to take it to the machine and how to match everything up. So that is going to be even better now. So you can set multiple hoops, split the design into sewing fields, and output the design to multiple files, each with just one click. That's going to be a time saver. Now hoopings can be viewed before you finish to save time and get the perfect result. Digital placement markers can be added for perfect hoop positioning. Okay, what that means right there, this last sentence makes me go, wow, okay. So the digital placement markers, that is going to be the snowman stickers or different markers that you guys can use. So you can add them for perfect hoop positioning. You betcha I'll be testing that out because I love the snowman. And it's not just because I'm Canadian. I don't actually like snow, but I love my snowmen. I think they are awesome. So I'll be testing that out. So multi-hooping is now even easier and even better. And again, look at the 2 videos that I did, and I will do an updated on the multi-hooping and point out all these new things. So let's see. We've got Marianne from Alberta. Hi, Marianne. We've got David from Arizona. Ooh, I bet you it's nice and warm in Arizona. We're kind of chilly. Denise Zobel is in Delaware. Hello. Francis from Roseville, California. Oh, another warm place, right? And of course, Suzanne Summers. Hi, Suzanne. Thank you for joining us. So it's awesome. Yolanda, next month is my birthday. I have to show this to my husband. Yeah, next month is my birthday. But I didn't ask my husband. I said, hey, there's a new hatch. Let's buy it. He said, okay, let's go. What does it have? I said, just give me 5 minutes. I'll figure it out. And then I went live. So yeah, what an amazing present that would be. And remember, it's only like $199 dollars US, and I'm thinking even just for like the first six editions they've made, it's worth it. And just for the record too, I don't work for Hatch. I don't do anything for Hatch. I don't get paid by Hatch. I'm not sponsored by Hatch, so I'm being clear about that. I just love Hatch. And I love the new things that they've done. So it's really good. That's all I can say. And I like it, and I'm doing it because I want to. So one-click multi-hooping, let's go to 14. Faster design management. And you know what? I noticed that I didn't vocalize this yesterday, but I thought everything was a whole lot faster. And I think that is going to make a big difference. One of my favorite things to do to relax is to look through embroidery designs, and it just kind of inspires me and gives me ideas and colors and designs, and oh, if you put this design with that design. And I honestly felt the library here a bit cumbersome, so I did notice yesterday and today that it is a lot faster. I have a big machine, and it's a lot faster. So I was really happy with that, and I think that makes a huge difference. So brother compatibility enhancements. So what would that be? Improved PES support. That's awesome. So files retain thread color information more accurately. Oh, wow. Trim support is improved too. Orientation of brother hoops for single and multi-needle machines is also more accurate. Well, thank you very much for that, Hatch. I think that will make a difference. I will be testing that. And checking it out and see how much of a difference it makes. It's going to be really nice to have the colors. So 15 reasons to upgrade to the design. And again, it's only $199. So it is wilcom.com/hatch is where you find it. And then there's a lot of buttons to click on. You can look at the user guide. Of course, you can try it too for 30 days for free. So hi, Karina. You were on yesterday too, Karina. Hi, I remember. So those are the 15 reasons why you need to upgrade. And I'm saying even with the first 6, it is absolutely worth upgrading. I have another software that's upgrading, and it's $800, and I don't think they've done anything. So kudos to Hatch for all of this. I think these are big changes. So yeah, everyone click the like button while we're talking here. Thanks for the reminder, Suzanne. She's my rock in this. Her and Dawn, I couldn't do any of it without you guys. Yeah, click the like button, please. Please, please, the more likes that you guys give me, the more videos I will be making for you. And apparently I've got at least 15 videos to make, right? Although I stopped at this alternating motifs, and I'm thinking I'll have to do 2 or 3 videos on this, because I'm going to be making some dash hound motifs, Christmas dash hounds, or how about Halloweener dash hounds. I'm just going to have a lot of fun with that. So we could do something Halloween on this row, and then the weenies or witch hats or something. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of those. So what I'd like everyone to do for a comment, if you can, let me know what number is your favorite enhancement for Hatch. If you're not attending live, if you guys are watching this afterwards, which is fine, this live was unannounced, it will be available, of course, on YouTube. But also just add the number. I am interested to see if it's going to be number 1, because I think people are really excited about the photo stitch. So yeah, everybody, whether you're live or whether you're watching the rerun, I call it, let me know in the comments with your favorite enhancement. So I'm stuck between photo stitch. Geez, the red work is really cool. Welding, SVG files is pretty good. Applique tools, this'll be fun. Alternating motifs. See, fonts. It's kind of tough. It's tough. Dawn says number 2. What was number 2? Oh, red work. Yeah, Don loves doing red work. He loves doing red work. It's fantastic. Hi, Donna. Hi, Donna. We're just having fun checking out. What's your favorite, Donna? What's your favorite out of the 15? So Marianne says 3 welding objects. Isn't that going to be a huge time saver? I think that's going to be fantastic. I think that's going to be a helpful in so many reasons, so many ways, so many things you can do with it, welding. The photo stitch, Francis says the photo stitch, hands down. I'm kind of stuck on that. I'm thinking that is probably the coolest thing. And it's, yeah, I'm thinking photo stitch. I don't know. See, the motifs, fonts, enhanced. Oh, but the sequence bar too. I was just silly about that yesterday. I thought that was great. So Denise says welding and something. Donna, I love everything, especially the new applique with SVG. Yeah, see, that's pretty sweet. What about the enhanced knife tool that now you can cut running stitches? Because, man, that's pretty good. That's a pretty big thing. This is kind of a bonus. The brother, Well, we'll take a poll, and we're going to see which, what people think. I'm just darn curious to know what people think. So, I'm going to have to decide. I will decide and let you guys know what I think. It's pretty tough to decide because, they're really cool. Everything is really cool. I think, I'll say it again, that these things for upgrading, I think they're huge. All of them, each and every one of them, new fonts, new different things. I'm just thinking it's great. Francis, I'm a fonts person. Yeah. I will look that up for you, and I will be doing a video on that because I call it fonty rather than a font person. I'm very fonty myself, so I will find out the new ones, and we will do a fun Halloween lettering design with 1 or 2 of the new ones. So I think that's pretty cool. So those are the new things. So leave your number. I will decide what I think is the best. And I think maybe in the OML Embroidery Facebook group, OML Embroidery University Facebook group. It was just kind of a mouthful. Hey, I need more sugar. Hold on. There we go. I think we'll put up a poll and see what everyone in the groups think. Not everyone in the group uses Hatch, but this will apply to the Hatch users. So awesome. All right, well, let's peek into the software, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I like. I didn't mean to show you my desktop. These are in images here, and this is what I was talking about. The position markers, the graphic markers. Now, these are two different ones. That is going to make a huge difference in multi-hooping. I think that is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. It is going to make a difference. Now, these pictures all come with Digitizer, and there's a whole bunch, and they give you really good examples. This one, for some reason, we're going to have to do maybe a class with this one, not auto digitizing, but something with these pumpkins, because I really like them. This is what we're going to do for the red work class. And I am going to do it with the Cintiq, I think. Or, hey, we can get Don to do it, and then I'll do the voiceover because he mumbles. Did I say that already today? I'm sorry, Don. Hashtag sorry, not sorry. So Redwork, we'll use these. This is actually really cool. Don and I absolutely love steampunk stuff, and I'm thinking we could do a lot with that. So I see like 3 classes already, and just using the stuff that comes in with Hatch, and I think that's nice. The pumpkins, though, I'm really Halloweeny, so I'm thinking that's cool. So why don't we grab this picture and just double click on it, and it'll bring it into Hatch. That was scary for a second there. Wow. So the first thing you need to do on this, and I've made this mistake a couple of times, so I'm going to mention it. The first thing you need to do is figure out the size. Now I have it in inches. So that's 28 by 40. There is no way in heck you will be stitching out a photo stitch that big. Wow. So make it the size that you want before you even start doing anything on it. So that's 9 by 13. That's actually quite big too. So 4 by 6, that's a little, it looks small, but we can just zoom into it. So do make sure that you guys know the size of your picture. Make sure you do that first. Write yourself a sticky note, and that's the first thing you want to do. And let's check out this photo stitch. I said I'd demo something, and I'm still just right into the photo stitch. So I thought, hey, let's do it. So all you have to do is select it and click on color photo stitch, and it's going to come up, and then you have a lot of choices. So this is on the left is the original picture, and this is the one that we're going to work on. Now, as it comes in default with 7 different colors, you can make it as many colors as you want, and it's it makes a difference. So I'm going to show you guys. You have to play around with photo stitch. Like, you can't just, it's not a grab and go sort of thing. So I reduced the colors, and you can see the changes in it. And that's really kind of creepy looking. So we don't want that. Sorry to whoever's cute little baby that is. That is also creepy looking. So that's 6. So let's go. That's 5. That's 6. That's getting better. 7 is where we started. Now you see the difference between 6 and 7? That looks like a mask. And this, number 7, adds in another skin tone. So now it looks more like a baby, doesn't it? It looks more like a baby. So let's try 8. Not it. See, that's different. That 7 looks better than 8. Let's try 9 different colors. See, and it starts getting worse again. But 10 is fantastic. So you have to play around with it a little bit. 10 added some more colors on the face and more detail work. And if you want to do a really intricate one, you can put as many colors as you want and you'll just get more detail work. I'm thinking, because I have a 10 needle machine, I'm thinking also that I'm really lazy on McDreamy, that I'm not going to want to change the threads 20 times. However, I'm thinking it would make a pretty cool design. We'll have to try it. So I'm saying for this one, either 7, there's not much difference, just in the detail work. So 7 or 10. Let's do 10. Let's make this spectacular. See, it fills things in a little bit more. Now, the other thing before you even start too is make sure you have all these colors or close to it going on. It gives you the RGB numbers, but you should be able to match it up with your thread charts going on. I haven't moved everything over yet. But yeah, make sure you have them. If you only have, you know, one little bit of threads, if you're just starting your stash, you probably won't be able to do it. So you have to make sure you have enough. So we're going to do 10 colors. Let's do apply and let's do okay. And look at how cute that is. So I'm liking that with all the colors. Now, always remember too that photo stitch is meant to be looked at from a distance. So if you notice, you can't zoom in and go, oh, okay, that's wrong. You have to look at it from a distance. The other thing you need to do is move the picture, because you'd be surprised at how much it shows through. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. I'm going to undo what I did. I keep grabbing the wrong things. It's just that kind of day. So let's delete the baby, the photo of the baby, and you can see that it makes a big difference without the photo behind. So one of the things that's really, really important is what you stitch it on. So you have to watch that, because I'm going to zoom right in now and look, there are spaces. So one of the colors has to be the background color or whatever you're stitching it on. So if you were to change the background to white, let's do that. Solid color, and let's do white. It is going to make a difference. See how that looks weird there? Yeah, so that is a very, very important part of planning out this photo stitch. Let's do black and see how that looks. And I think that looks way better. So it is really important. The background, it does count as a color. So you are going to want to make sure of that before you go to stitch. Let's try something weird like hot pink and see what a difference it makes. See how much? That was actually a fantastic example. See how much it shows through there? You would not want to stitch this out on a something hot pink. You wouldn't want to anyways. But you see what a difference it makes? Hopefully I'm illustrating it enough. If you were going to do it on a pumpkin, see, it turns the baby orange. So it's really important. Black or white generally. So Suzanne, can you alter the colors fairly easy on the baby's forehead? It just seems a little bright. Well, it kind of does, depending on what you do for the background. So let's put it to what we want. Okay. Now, what you'd have to do is go to colors, and this looks really cool, really weird, separately, really weird. And what color is what Suzanne is talking about is, it looks white on here. What is that? Am I clicking? No? I guess I'm going to have to check objects. See, this is, you can, it's just going to be a little hard. I was hoping to get white. Well, you know, I don't see white. I am kind of tired, but maybe it's the blue. So it is really easy to change it, because look, we can just go like this. So you, that's it, the blue. I thought it was white. It did look white. So I changed it to kind of a gray color, and now he looks like he has a bruise. So, yeah, you have to play around. So, flip to colors for sure, because otherwise, the objects, you're going to have a gazillion of them. And just change the colors. That's all you have to do. And make sure, of course, that you put the background on that you want. But yeah, super easy to change the colors. It does seem a bit bright, so thanks for pointing that out. Fantastic question. How about gray? See, I kind of like that a little bit better, although that is a bit strong there. You can also fiddle around with the colors too and make it a little bit better. So I'm just working with what we have. I just wanted to show you guys the things that are really important in the demo, and background and the picture and the size of the picture. All of those things are really important. So let's pull it away a little bit and kind of look. See, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Now, in one of the videos, two of the videos I did today, because I was so excited about it, I showed two ways of cropping the video. I showed two ways of cropping the photo stitch. One before you do the photo stitch, so you're cropping the image, and one after. And don't you think this would look really cute in a heart or something like that? That's awesome. That is so awesome. So a lot of things to take into consideration. I am super happy that Hatch has come out with Photo Stitch. And I got to tell you too, it works really well as far as I can see. It works really well. Also remember, I guess the next big thing is also remember that Photo Stitch, even though it's quick and easy to set up, it's going to take you a long time to stitch it out. This is 47,000 stitches. So it's something that you need to make sure you have a lot of machine time for. It is worth it. I'm telling you, it'll be worth it. I will be stitching some out, but it's not like a quick thing. It's not quick at all. So take your time. Remember, this takes time. It's going to be absolutely worth it. So awesome. I'd like to thank everyone who's watching too for liking. Suzanne says we have 100% likes, so you guys are awesome. We'll be doing more lives. We'll be doing more Hatch stuff, and of course the other software too. So I'd like to just pause for a minute to take a drink, but do you guys have any questions about Hatch? I don't have all the answers yet, but I could. Or the photo stitch. Any questions? The better picture you have for photo stitch, the better it's going to work. Anyone have any questions? No? Well, you can always ask questions in the group or on all of this. So I think it's awesome. I'll be doing many more videos. I just wanted to hop in and make a quick video and let you guys know how to upgrade and why you need to upgrade and show you one of the bits of it.
Hello.
Hello. Don's here. He's just standing behind me. It kind of scared me for a minute. Can you import SVGs? The one that I saw that Hatch provides are, let me see, I think it's here, EPS files that they have to bring in. I haven't done it. I haven't experimented with it, but Suzanne is kind of our graphics person, so I will look that up and answer that for you, Suzanne. I am not sure, so definitely not sure, but I will find out and I'll let you know in the group, my dear. So any other questions? I hope this clears up a lot of questions. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little demo. Remember to put down what you think the best enhancement or feature out of that 15 you like the best, because I am interested to know what you guys think. What did you say, Don?
Number 2, the red work.
Red work. Yeah, you're pretty thrilled about the red work.
I like red work.
I've been doing photo stitch all day, so it may be photo stitch.
Maybe.
But having this, did you see what you can do, Don, with this? Look. Boom! Look at that.
Oh, you can make it bigger and it shows, yeah.
Isn't that
Shows it better.
Well, it's almost like an overview for all the colors, because you can actually see the stitches.
It's more like shows it more layered.
Look, isn't that cool? Oh, I have it on colors. But you can see the stitches. I mean, I will generally not be doing it this way, but if you needed to, sure, sure. Here's the objects now. Of course, the objects, because it's a photo stitch, there is at least a gazillion. Let's see how many objects there are. 130. Don't mess with the sequence on that one for sure. Yes, for sure. The mono look, yeah, you can do that actually. You can do sepia and mono, and you can do something called photo flash, which is just a bit different. So I missed how to upgrade. I can go over it again. Go to Wilcom. Actually, let me type it out because I was going to do that. I was thinking I was editing for a second there. Go to wilcom.com/hatch. There it is. And that's where you go. And on that front page, you can either just sign in, or you can look, there's on one of the pictures, oh, that doesn't work. One of the pictures that are on there, 15 reasons why you should upgrade, and go and peruse those. And there's a lot of buttons there that says upgrade now. And you have to sign in with the email and password that you use to sign in to Hatch. It has to be that one to have your account to be able to upgrade it. It's $199 US. And I keep saying that to me, it's worth it for all these things that you get. It's so worth it. It's so much fun. So upgrade, go here, go do it, and have fun playing with the photo stitch, and have fun. It's brilliant. What do you think? It's pretty exciting, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's well worth the money to upgrade.
Yeah, it's well worth
they're
it.
giving you enough options, enough features for your money.
We have upgraded for a lot more money for a lot less.
Yeah.
A lot less. So
every software is different, but what they're charging for this upgrade it's very fair.
yeah, and big things, big, like the red work.
You get lots of
big
things.
The applique, big. The photo stitch, huge.
Yep.
Fonts, oh, it's so much. So if there's no more questions, I'd like to say thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for liking. Don't forget to comment with the number that you guys like the best out of the 15. And I'm just curious. And there'll be more Hatch videos. I will go into these 15 enhancements in detail. I will not do much more in the way to photo stitch because I could do it forever. But thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone. Say bye, Dawn.
Bye.
Bye.